The influence of teachers extends beyond the classroom. As we all know, today is Teachers' Day, and in our college, we celebrate this day as Staff Day.
जीनियस म्यूजिक क्लब को आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी एक सुंदर सी प्रस्तुति के साथ।
आदित्य प्रकाश बीसी, अंकित राज, रंजन कुमार बीसी।
The best performing club for the year 2021. They walk away with a cash award of 5,000 rupees.
And welcome on stage the Xavier's Theatre Club with their mime performance.
Samar sir should dance. So now I request our principal, Father Dr. T. Nishant S.J. to kindly present the annual report of our college for the academic year 2020-21.
As the principal of the college, it is my duty and privilege to present this annual report to you. It was very challenging to conduct the classes, examinations, admission process, cultural functions, seminars, etc. online, but it is a matter of pride that we not only resisted succumbing to the onslaught of the COVID-19 pandemic, but we have been coping with it in an efficient and effective manner. Welcome to Father Sijos Charian S.J., Ms. Priya Manish Kumar, Ms. Sabila Rashid, Ms. Priya Gupta, Mr. Mario Martin, Mr. Vikas Kumar, Mr. Dev Kumar Devanshu, Ms. Priya Verma, and Mr. Abhishek Kumar as new members of the Xavier family. By the grace of God, we had 392 new admissions. On February 1st, 2021, 381 students graduated. 3 of our students were gold medalists. Dheeraj Kumar from BCA, Raj Ratan from BCom Professional, and Gaurav Raj from Bachelor in Business Economics, BBE. The 8th National Seminar was organized on June 5th, 2021 on the topic Care for Our Common Home, Challenges and Responses, which was on online mode. Xavier University, Patna. On February 6, 2017, an application with a detailed project report was submitted to the Department of Education, Bihar government, to establish and administer Xavier University, Patna under the Bihar Private University Act 2013. In June 2019, the Department of Education completed the process and has forwarded it to the Chief Minister's office. We would like to thank God, the Patna Jesuit family, staff members, students, collaborators and well-wishers for their immense support and cooperation. By providing quality education, we will continue to work for a just and humane society in Patna, in Bihar, in India and world at large. Jai Xaviers, Jai Bharat.
Sir, please accept this as a token of our gratitude.
आने वाला भारत, आने वाला बिहार का क्या स्वरूप होगा? अब जिस पीढ़ी को कल का भारत और कल का बिहार सौंपने जा रहे हैं, वो आपके हाथ में है। आप जिस प्रकार से उन्हें गढ़ेंगे, जिस प्रकार से उन्हें शिक्षा देंगे, कल के भारत का और कल के बिहार का वही स्वरूप होगा।
Building process to establish an egalitarian society where all have the opportunity to develop oneself and live in harmony with all as children of God. This is the objective of running, finally the objective of running this institution too. I thank the college authorities today, the management, the principal of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology. Thank you teachers in a very, very special way today when you are celebrating the Teachers' Day. Thanks to all of you. God bless you.
It's a great pleasure to announce the next category of awards. These awards are in academic performance, and I will be calling out the names of the students who hold the first rank. Gaurav Raj from BBE. Ojaswini Sharma, BBA.
Now I request our respected guest, Shri Uday Narayan Chaudhary ji, to kindly come on the stage and say a few words.
नमस्कार और जय श्री। आज शिक्षक दिवस है। मैं सबसे पहले आज के चीफ गेस्ट स्वामी शिवेश्वर जी, मदन निशांत जी, मैडम प्रिंसिपल सेंट कैथरीन स्कूल और सभी छात्र छात्राओं और उनके अभिभावकगण, आज शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर इस कार्यक्रम का आयोजन कॉलेज के इंस्टीट्यूशन द्वारा किया गया, मैनेजमेंट द्वारा किया गया। सबसे पहले जेसुइट मैनेजमेंट सोसाइटी को मैं अपनी ओर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं। मैं आप सभी छात्र छात्राओं को कहना चाहता हूं कि आप सौभाग्यशाली हैं कि इतने अच्छे टीचर, इतना अच्छा मैनेजमेंट शायद ही किसी को नसीब होता है। आप नसीब वाले हैं, इसलिए मैं आपको धन्यवाद देता हूं। जेसुइट सोसाइटी उस संस्था का नाम है जिस संस्था के सभी सदस्यगण अपने पूरा जीवन को समाज के निर्माण में लगाया है।
On behalf of St. Xavier's College of Management and Technology, I want to express our deepest gratitude to our chief guest today, Honorable Shri Tarkishore Prasad. When we approached him with our invitation, he readily accepted it and rearranged his program to make himself available for this annual day function. Sir, we deeply appreciate your availability for this evening. Your message to our students will certainly impact their lives for a better future. We hope that you continue to support us as the college grows into an outstanding educational institution in the state of Bihar. His Grace Archbishop Sebastian Kalupara, you made time with us and showed your interest in the growth of our college. Thank you for your gracious presence, valuable words of wisdom to our students, and your continued support to this institution of higher learning. Thank you, Archbishop. I would like to acknowledge our sincere appreciation to our special guest, Ms. Merikuti Thomas. We have so many students from your institutions doing very well in our college. Thank you for encouraging us with your presence. Thank you very much, ma'am. I also express my sincere thanks to our ex-speaker, our part of our family, a well-wisher and a very good friend of ours, Uday Narayan Chaudhary ji. Thank you for your presence this evening. I would like to invite the main organizer of annual day function, Mr. Ashok Kumar, to the stage, and the co-organizer, Ms. Supriya, to the stage. I want to place on record our deepest appreciation for you for making this annual day a memorable day for all of us. Thank you very much. Dear students, you gave a wonderful performance and you have done the college proud. We appreciate your labor of love. Thank you very much, dear students. Once again, a big thanks to all of you for your presence. May God bless you all. Jai Xavier's and Jai Bharat.
हमारी अगली प्रस्तुति काफी खूबसूरत और रोमांचक है।
So, without wasting even a single moment, put your hands together for the show-stopping performance by the students of Xavier's Dance Club.
Oh बचाए पर्यावरण, पर्यावरण का रखें ध्यान, तभी बनेगा देश महान। जब प्रदूषण पर होगा नियंत्रण, तभी बचेगा हमारा पर्यावरण। पर्यावरण के लिए पेड़ लगाओ, देश बचाओ, दुनिया बचाओ। पर्यावरण की हो सुरक्षा, जिससे बढ़कर नहीं तपस्या। और बोलेगी चिड़िया डाली डाली, पहले फैलाओ चारों तरफ हरियाली। इस धरती को अगर बचाना है, तो पर्यावरण रक्षा का लक्ष्य बनाना है।
धन्यवाद उन सभी का जो हमारे महाविद्यालय के वार्षिक महोत्सव में शामिल हुए थे।